Hi everyone, I'm Hannah Gaspar from BIS IT3A and welcome to my video presentation. Import pandas. This loads a pandas library which is used for working with tables called data frames. A list of column names is defined to label each field in the dataset. PDRead CSV is used to read CSV file called adult data, which contain demographic information. Name equals column, add headers using the custom column names provided. Step equals comma, this uses a comma followed by space as the separator between values. NA values treat any in data of missing values. In GenePython, use the Python's parser instead of the default C parser to support the complex separator. These commands show the first 5 rows of the dataset so you can review how the data looks. Check for missing values. This check each column for missing values like blanks or none, and print out how many are in each column. Drop rows with missing values. This remove any rows from the dataset that contain missing values, helping to keep the data clean and ready for modeling. Convert categorical to numerical one-hot encoding. Categorical columns like work class, sex, race are turned into number using one-hot encoding. This means each category becomes its own column with 0 in 1 second. From first through avoid redundancy by removing the first category of each variable to prevent multicolumnarity, a common issue in modeling. Split data into features and target. X hold all the features input variables used for make prediction. Y is the target variable, in this case whether the person earned for more than 50K a year. Splitting the data for training and testing. This imports a function to split the dataset into training and testing sets, an important step to evaluate how well your model performs on unseen data. X-train and Y-train, 70% of the data is used to train the model. X-test and Y-test, 30% of the data is used to test the model's performance. Test size equals 0.3 means 30% of the data goes to the test set. Random state equals 42 ensures the split is reproducible. You get the same result every time you run. Import logistic regression. This import the logistic regression model from Import logistic regression. This import the logistic regression model from scikit-learn, a common algorithm used for binary classification like predicting if someone earned 50K or not. Create the model. This creates a logistic regression model. Max Iter 1000 set the maximum number of times the algorithm will try to find the best solution. Increase here to ensure its fully coverage, sometimes needed for a larger dataset. Train the model. This trains the model by showing it the training data X-train and the correct answer Y-train so it can learn patterns to make prediction. In this code, the accuracy score measures the percentage of correct prediction. Confusion matrix shows how many actual positive and negative were correctly or incorrectly predicted. Classification report gives precision, recall F1, and support for each class income less than 50K or greater than 50K. I hope you enjoy learning. Thank you for watching.